mom is at Dasmariñas, Cavite. It's just 1 hour. Look. I know it's dark, guys, but my tablet is not clear as you think, because when it's dark, and also, you know why my voice doesn't, that in my tablet, you know why my voice doesn't sound like my usual voice, because my tablet's recording it's not good enough, unlike my dad's phone and then my mom's phone or my mom's tablet. Its recording is good enough. I can't put lighting because when I turn the camera on myself, lighting's only available in pictures, but when I'm video, it's not working. And that's why I wanted, and I forgot to update my new tablet. I forgot to update my tablet. It's not a new tablet, it's the same tablet. And guys, I will tell you why my dad didn't allow me to upload videos last time, or why he just wanted to delete my channel why he will delete my channel if I open it, because last time I remember the date, at July 13, 2025, I have a it's loud. I have a therapy, and I did something wrong in the therapy. When I was reading a story, I was in a rush because I just wanted to proceed to a test, and that's when my dad caught my screen time. But I waited until now. He allowed me to, and then he talked to me before I went into Tanza. He talked to me that he's allowed. I have to ask permission to him if I'm allowed to use gadgets. If he says yes, I can, but if he says no, I can't. See, guys. Let's go. Far away a little bit because it might fly. Or else if it flies, my dad's gonna get angry because I know I'm not mindful of my things. Even if it's my thing, I should be mindful of it. And daddy will be tired because if I drop it, daddy cannot get it anymore. Okay, guys. Daddy, whose birthday is it again po? Here?
No, there's no. Sa family gathering, sa friends gathering.
Oh, okay po.
Because Joseph's wife and aunt just visit Cavite for vacation. So that's why we decide to have a gathering. There's no need to have a gathering.
Okay po.
Thank you, anak, for being a good boy.
Yes.
Did you
You're
eat
welcome
any
po.
adobo?
I was just sleepy. That's why I got busog because I was sleepy lang.
Did you drink water?
Yes po, I did.
When you finish all the nuggets?
Yes po, of course. At least I ate many nuggets so I can just eat a little adobo. We just have to record for about like 10 minutes so guys, I just record it's just a 10-minute video and then the seconds is 0 because I wanted to do something else. I know you can just want to watch and because since it's still far 40 minutes I want to play my games. And you know what games I play? Sometimes I play Roblox, but I don't want to play Roblox now or even Minecraft. But I love playing Melon Playground. And some of you guys are familiar of the app Talkie, which you chat AI. Some of you guys are familiar with that. And if you are a Talkie fan, you'd know Talkie. By the way guys, now, the amazing thing about the Philippines is, it is my country. And if you're Filipino, that means you're here. But if you're not, you may visit here. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.